wedding so far. Please be seated so we can get started with the Sangeet. We have a lot of exciting things to come.
Live இன்னும் கொடுக்கலையே. இரு அவனை
Thank you, appreciated. Please be seated. So just a quick introduction about me. I'm Sharat's cousin. I'm going to be the host for today's evening along with Pratna, who's Priya's sister. She'll also be joining me on stage shortly. That was a fabulous start to the evening. Thanks Sharat, our hero of the day, and Priya, the heroine of the day, for gracing this occasion. Okay, so I would request all of you to be seated. Please be seated. Please find a seat and be seated.
அதே
Please remember that the corona times are not over yet, so please make sure you're masked throughout the event. Maintain. This is Pratna. She is Priya's sister. No introductions needed, right?
Yeah, thank you so much for joining me for really like pepping up the whole environment now. We have a whole list of things lined up over the next 1.5 hours, and before we dive right into all of that, I'd just like to request all of you to have all the fun you do with your masks up. Okay, it works. Don't forget to dance with us where you see us dance, but do not lower your masks unless if you're drinking water. Also, don't forget to cheer a lot because we would need it on stage. We have a lot of first-time dancers and first-time singers. So yeah, keep the spirits high, and to all of us joining us online from wherever you are being missed, and don't let the fact that you're away stop you from cheering for us as well, okay?
Yes. A big hooray to all the Line 3 participants. Thank you for joining us today evening. You're dearly missed, but I'm so glad that you're able to view this event online. But Pratna, what are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to go? I think you should go off the stage because, wait for it, she is going to be performing next. So while she gets ready, I just want to ensure that people who do not have chairs, is there any reason that you're all standing because you don't have chairs? I think we might need more chairs. So, yeah. Please do find chairs and get seated. All right. So, all right. Over to Prabna. She is gonna be entertaining us with a lot of cool songs with her ukulele. For those of you who don't know, this is a very cool instrument, mind you. Okay, over to you, Prabna. All the best.
Just before I start, I want to give a heads up that I'm very unrevised and this is the first time on like a stage, so please forgive any errors you hear. Hold it close once. रोम रोम तेरा नाम पुकारे, एक हुए दिन रैन हमारे, हमसे हम ही छिन गए जब ते देखे नैन तिहारे, हो तेरी काली अखियों से जिंद मेरी जागे, धड़कन से तेज दौड़ूं सपनों से आगे, जहाँ लुट जाए ये जहाँ छूट जाए संग प्यार रहे, मैं रहूं ना रहूं सजदा तेरा सजदा, दिन रैन करूं ना ही चैन करूं सजदा तेरा सजदा, रखवाल करूं तेरी जान लुट दूं, हीर हीर ना खोड़ियो मैं ते साहिबा होई, घोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए, घोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए, हो मैनू ले जाए मिर्जा कोई, ले जाए मिर्जा कोई, ले जाए मिर्जा कोई, हीर हीर ना खोड़ियो मैं ते साहिबा होई, घोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए, घोड़ी लेके आवे ले जाए, हो बचस खान मजू दियो में रुखसात म्यान बाय जानू, बचस खान मजू उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे, बाबा मैं तेरे मलका टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, टूटी चारपाई वही ठंडी पुरवाई रास्ता देखे, हो दूधों की मलाई वही मीठी की सुराही रास्ता देखे, रे कबीरा मान जा। फकीरा यूं न जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरे परछाइयाँ। हाय हाय मैं मर जावा तेरे बिन, अब तो मेरी रातें कटते तारे गिन गिन, बस तुझको पुकारा करे मेरी बिंदिया इशारा करे, होय लश्कारा लश्कारा तेरी बिंदिया का लश्कारा, ऐसे चमके जैसे चमके चांद के पास सितारा। मिलन वदाइया नी सजन ढोले लेके आना नी मेरा सजना। थैंक यू। हेलो check.
Hey, Pratna. Wow, that was super awesome. How did you do so many medleys of such a beautiful songs, right? Such beautiful songs. Let's cheer for her, please. You were awesome, Pratna. You didn't sound like a first timer, honestly. You were awesome. And thanks for those little ones who were cheering them on, right? I want to make sure all of us do clap and join in the celebration. Please do clap and enjoy yourself, right? All right. So what's coming next? So I'm going to call this the dance, because this is the dance where the bride's family has decided to entertain the groom's family for free, right? There are some really lovely folks from Pratna's and Priya's family who is going to join us for today's evening, and I can't wait to see what they have in store for us. A lot of great performances, right? So let's make sure we cheer them on, okay? Yes? I need all your help to pep up the folks who are actually dancing, because many of them are going to be first timers. So make sure as the music plays, please clap along. Please do some little dance in the same place that you're seated in, right? Please make sure you enjoy yourself. Okay, over to you. Oh, I see Pratna again. Pratna, are you this multi-talented girl who can sing, dance, and do everything? All right.
I don't think I'm multi-talented. I think that I'm just someone these two love so very much that they just want to see me in every single performance. Am I right? I know.
All right. Thank you, Pratna. And thank you all these lovely folks who are all lying fun.
It is a very happy evening it's going to be. I hope it will be very good.
Yes, it will be. Okay.
क्योंकि अब आपके सामने तशरीफ ला रही हैं आगरा की अजीम फनकारा मलिका हुस्न नूर नजर मोहतरमा मोहिनी।
आया है रे तू, प्यारा है शक्ल से, अकल का मारा है
तेरे माथे झूमर दमके, तेरे कानों वाली चमके है रे। तेरे हाथों कंगना ठनके, तेरे पैरों पायल छनके है रे। नैनों से बोले रब्बा रब्बा, मन में डोले रब्बा रब्बा, अमृत घोले रब्बा रब्बा, तू सोनिए
Please clap after each of those performances.
പച്ചക്കിളിക്കൊരു കൂട്, പച്ചക്കരിമ്പഴയുള്ള കൂട്, ആ പച്ചക്കിളിക്കൊരു കൂട്, പച്ചക്കരിമ്പഴയുള്ള കൂട്, കണ്ണാളൻ കെട്ടുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ, അത് നിന്നെ കൂട്ടാനാണല്ലോ. തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാലേന, പിന്നെ ജീവിതം തുണ്ടനാലേന. തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാലേന, പിന്നെ ജീവിതം തുണ്ടനാലേന. തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാലേന, പിന്നെ ജീവിതം തുണ്ടനാലേന. മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാലേന, പിന്നെ ജീവിതം തുണ്ടനാലേന. മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാലേന, പിന്നെ ജീവിതം തുണ്ടനാലേന. മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാലേന, പിന്നെ ജീവിതം തുണ്ടനാലേന.
Woohoo! What a lovely performance, and what a sport all of you are. I mean, I don't think anybody looked like an amateur dancer to me. All of you were damn good. Thanks, lovely ladies, for entertaining us. Come on, Ishan. Do you want to see what mommy is doing on stage? Yes. Yes. All right. So I'm just going to give Prarthana a bit of a breather because this girl is phenomenal. She just did a medley of some lovely songs and then she immediately danced with full energy, and the surprise element was of course Priya and Sharat coming on stage. See, I know you guys are a family of dancers, by the way, but we are not, and here is Sharat, the big sport, dancing his way to all our hearts, right? Did he dance his way into your heart, Priya? Maybe? Okay, we are going to level that up by today evening, Sharat. Okay, you're going to get there. All right. Sure. So now, where I'm looking for Prarthana, I think she is a little occupied. Should we get started, Prarthana?
Get a chance to introduce my amazing co-host, who's also the next performer. She is probably the definition of someone who's more multi-talented, and you stole my introduction for you, but she has an incredible lineup of songs that kind of represent the difference, the very small sliver of difference that there is between Sharat and Priya, which is between Bollywood and Collywood, right? So let's give it up for Janani and do cheer for her as she's singing after a very long time.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I definitely need you to pep me up through this, right? So I'm gonna ask you all to sit back and relax because I'm gonna start with a short story short, sweet, and very cute story. It's a musical love story, right? Who doesn't like musical love stories, right? So there is this, so let me start. Let me get started right away, okay? So once upon a time, there was this very pretty, sweet, bubbly girl who lived in Bangalore. She loves dancing, she loves Bollywood movies, and she loves to live life big size, right? And here is how. बरसों रे मेघा मेघा बरसों रे मेघा मेघा बरसों रे मेघा बरसों बरसों रे मेघा मेघा बरसों रे मेघा मेघा बरसों रे मेघा बरसों मीठा है खोसा है बारिश का बोसा है खोसा है बारिश का बोसा है मीठा है खोसा है बारिश का बोसा है खोसा है बारिश का बोसा है जल 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 तल चल चल तल चल 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 बरसा चल नन्ना रे 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 Okay, so thank you. So wait. What is a love story without a hero, right? So enter this hero, right? He's this very smart, sensible, very charming guy. He lives in Singapore, and he loves social issues, and he loves Hollywood movies, right? Please note the difference. He loves Hollywood movies, and he did not think love was his forte. Really, he did not think love was his forte. But until he met this beautiful, charming girl online, and then he couldn't really stop singing. Do you know how? Let's go. किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी किसी रोज तुमसे मुलाकात होगी मेरी जान उस दिन मेरे साथ होगी मगर कब न जाने बरसात होगी मेरा दिल है प्यासा मेरा दिल अकेला जरा तस्वीर से तू निकल के सामने आ मेरी महबूबा मेरी महबूबा मेरी महबूबा मेरी महबूबा मेरी महबूबा मेरी महबूबा Okay, so these two started chatting, okay? The story is not over yet, guys, so save the claps for the end. So these two started chatting, right? Chatting online. They started exchanging these notes. They started making spreadsheets together. Can you believe that? And that was when we knew that they were made for each other, right? And they also started singing some duet songs together online. Do you want to hear what they sang? Okay, here you go. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ha, 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 ha. सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद जलने लगा आसमां ये हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा मैं ठहरी रही ज़मीं चलने लगी धड़काए दिल सांस थमने लगा हो क्या है मेरा पहला प्यार है सजना क्या है मेरा पहला प्यार है Okay, wait. The girl is singing all the Hindi songs. The guy needs to sing one, right? വായ്പാട്ട് പാടും പെണ്ണേ മൗനങ്ങൾ കൂടാതെ போட்டு சத்தம் எல்லாம் பெண்ணுக்கு ஆகாது வண்டெல்லாம் சத்தம் போட்டால் போன்றோலை தாங்காது மொட்டுக்கள் சத்தம் போட்டால் வண்டுக்கே கேட்காது ஆடிக்கு பின்னாலே காவேரி தாங்காது ஆளான பின்னாலே அள்ளிப்பூ மூடாது ஆசை துடிக்கின்றது. Okay, so all the duet songs are said and done, right? Now they decided it's time to take the relationship to the next level, right? This long distance, enough of long distance, yeah, okay? We have to take this relationship to the next level. So this boy decided, okay, let me put a full stop to this girl's earning. So how did he do that? जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां मैं यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ कैसी सरहदें कैसी मजबूरियां मैं यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ हूँ यहाँ. Okay. So the girl and boy are finally together, everyone's happy, they get married and they live very happily ever after. Now, the good news is that the girl finally learned to sing Tamil songs. Yeah, she finally learned to sing Tamil songs, yes, because see, our boy is this charmer who can completely charm her and sweep her off the feet, and he can also make sure that he teaches her all the Tamil songs that she needs to know. And this is how she sang. அள்ளி கொடிய காத்து அசைக்குது அசையும் கொளுத்து உடம்பு கூசுது புள்ளரிச்ச பாவம் என்ன போலவே அலப்பாயுது நிலவில் காயும் வேட்டி சேலையோ நம்ம பார்த்து சோடி சேருது சேர்த்து வச்ச காத்தே துடி பாடுது சுதி சேருது என்ன புதுதாகம் அனலாகுதே தேகம் யாரு சொல்லி தந்து வந்தது காணா கனா வந்து கொல்லுது இதுக்கு பேருதான் மோட்சமா 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 உன்னை விட இந்த உலகத்தில் வசந்தது ஒண்ணுமில்லை ஒண்ணுமில்லை வாக்குப்பட கிடைச்சா விருமாண்டி சாட்சி சொல்ல சந்திர வருவாண்டி சாதிசனம் எல்லாம் வந்தாண்டி கேட்டவரும் உடனே தந்தாண்டி. Okay, Rab ne bana di jodi. Thank you, thank you. Hope you all enjoyed that cute love story. And any guesses who the hero and heroine is? Please, I'm not going to give you a chocolate for that. We all know who the hero and heroine is, right? Thank you. Say a big round of applause for the hero, Mr. Sharat, and the heroine, Miss Priya. Thank you, thank you. All right, let's move on to the next performance of today's evening, right? That these guys have prepared now. Yes, unfortunately, I also got over to you.
कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे कैच की और ये चेहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे, डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे। अब सुना होता है एक रोज इंतजार सोनी, आज नहीं तो कल है तुझको तो परसों मेरी होनी रे। तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा, तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा।
सामने तू है ना, विस्फोट सा दिल में हुआ रे प्यार के ओशन में, एक बोट से तैर गया रे, धक धक करके साउंड जो आया, बक बक करके तुझको मकाया। वो जरा घबरा के जरा इतरा के कर प्यार से करता रहा, छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी, छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी, छेड़खानियाँ कभी उल्टी तो सीधी, छेड़खानियाँ करे ऐसी की तैसी। माफिया तुम्हां पै गईयां तू चंडीगढ़ तो आई नहीं, तैनू देख के होके मरदे ने खड़े चौंकां विच सिपाही नहीं। गोडी ते काला दिल कुड़ीए, गोडी ते काला दिल कुड़ीए, जो दागे चन दे टुकड़े ते तैनू काला चश्मा, तैनू काला चश्मा, तैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए कोले मुखड़े ते, तैनू काला चश्मा जचदा ए कोले मुखड़े ते।
Oh God, one more remix.
दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए सारे, हो करके इशारे, हो लड़की, हो लड़की, हो लड़की आँख मारे आँख मारे, हो लड़की आँख मारे आँख मारे, हो लड़की आँख मारे।
Hey folks, how do you remember all these steps, man? I mean, seriously, just remembering those steps gives me this, I mean, even if I have to sing a song, I'll have to make sure that I always have lyrics in my phone, but you girls are phenomenal. Thank you.
Thank you for the intro and the amazing, very, very kind adjectives that you used for us. But yeah, I think this is something she's been waiting for the longest time.
Yeah.
So very glad that we had so many people present here and so many other people watching live. We do miss you. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, especially to watch us dance. Please do stay tuned for everyone else's performances. We are thrilled. I'm tired, but we'll be back for more.
Yes, thank you, Priya. Thank you for being such a sport and then taking over on spot. And Pratna, are you going next? Again?
Yeah, I may just be, but I'm going to take a short breather because apparently there are more people apart from us who share the same enthusiasm about dancing and just kind of partying it up when they get the chance. So up next we have a performance that is probably going to be so full of energy and so full of enthusiasm, you'll just forget what you're even watching. It's going to be so fun. It's of two people who are so close to our family, and I'm sure you guys will cheer as you watch them. They're going to dance to some pretty amazing, pretty top tier numbers. So let's welcome Deepthi and Ashwini, and also the little kiddos who will join them eventually. Wow, that was so cute to even watch. You could tell the kids were dying to dance. Good job, Mayank and Niru. It was so cute. Now, up next, I know the much awaited performance is seeing Sharath dance, but we have a few performances before we make the impossible happen. So right now is probably my most awaited performance because I haven't seen it myself despite living in the same house of this girl, and I know she has been preparing for this for a while. I mean, it's probably been our biggest dream to dance at our Sangeet or at our wedding, so I can't wait. And while you may have heard a few music performances, I have to say she's not a singer. She shouldn't even try because she can literally sound like a frog if she has to. In every sense of the word, she can sound like a frog until she sings with me. If you sing with me, you sound a lot better. But that part aside, I had to embarrass her. That part aside, let's all give it up for Priya on her solo performance as the bride. And yeah, let's all see what she does.
मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा, जालिम नजर हटा ले। मेरा चैन वैन सब उजड़ा, जालिम नजर हटा ले। बर्बाद हो रहे हैं तेरे अपने शहर वालों को। मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा, मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटे तू आजा।
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना। कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना। ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना। कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना।
हो मेरे नैना जुड़वा लेना।
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना।
तब मैंने ये सोचा था, तब मैंने ये जाना था, तुम कितने बदल जाओगे, तुम कितना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे।
मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम।
मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम। सोई सोई पलकों पे चल के मेरे सपनों की खिड़की पे आ गया। आते जाते फिर मेरे दिल के हाथों में वो खत पकड़ा गया। प्यार का लफ्जों में रंग है प्यार का। बहारा बहारा हुआ दिल पहली बार रे। बहारा बहारा कि चैन तो हुआ करार रे। बहारा बहारा हुआ दिल पहली बार रे। It's rocking, यारा कभी इश्क तो करो। It's rocking, मरो तो इश्क पे मरो। चाहे अगर ये दिल तो प्यार रोशन जहाँ कर दे। इसकी इनायत हो तो जर्रे को खुदा कर दे। मैं सदके जावा, मैं सदके जावा, हो इश्क पे यारा। मैं सदके जावा, मैं सदके जावा, मैं सदके जावा, हो इश्क पे यारा। मैं सदके जावा, मैं सदके जावा।
Woohoo! Okay, I have to admit, I don't like giving my sister compliments, but that was good. That was so energetic. And I'm sure it's kept the energy levels pretty damn high from whatever you have seen so far. I feel like all of Priya's performance kind of took the limelight away from Sharat, who is my beloved brother-in-law, and who, by the way, I met first before she met him. I have to say that. Right? Thank you. I remember the first time when I met him, we met in a restaurant in Singapore, and when I came back, my whole family was so anticipating what I would say about him, because this was like the big tipping point, right? Is this going forward? Is it going to be anything? Whatever. But I had nothing to say to them because we spoke about so many things, and that's just the most amazing thing about Sharat, isn't it? Janani, don't you think this is starting to sound a whole lot like a toast?
Yes, oh yes. Is it toast coming up next? And by the way, we love surprises here, right? I think both families of ours really love surprises, and we love surprising the bride and the groom. And here there is one big surprise that's coming up for Sharat. Sharat, I don't think you're expecting this. I don't think you're expecting this at all. I want all your attention not on the stage for a moment, but on both these video screens to your left and to your right? So please stay put for the surprise in store.
I just hope the projector doesn't surprise us now. Any guesses? You guys are the masters at breaking people's surprises for you. You should have done that, right?
Fabulous idea.
Okay, cool. We'll leave that to the bride then. But let's just see what this video
Has in store.
Okay, wow, okay, there it is. Woo.
Welcome to the club. You have lots of people here. We love you.
Congratulations again.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Have a fantastic wedding and we're really sorry for it.
Hi, Vijayanta here. Congratulations. Congratulations, Sharath and Priya. Fair wedding for the family.
Hi sir, congratulations. Hi Priya, welcome to our family. Vijayanta, happy new year. Many congratulations to you both.
Wishing you a very happy married life.
Can't wait to see you all. All the very best and happy married life.
But we'll celebrate in person when we visit us in next episode when we visit you.
Hi Priya, congratulations on your big day. We hope you cherish all the special moments in life and wish you a bright and
Shara, as your big brother, I feel like I'm giving you some management advice. That's all.
Yeah, Shara brings more flowers for no reason. Trust me, always will.
But most importantly, always listen to each other before you listen to others.
It's true. You guys do it and deserve it.
Again, happy married life. And Priya, welcome.
Hi, Shara and Priya.
Hi guys.
The big day is finally here. Congratulations. It's so hard to believe that we're not there.
கண்ணுள்ள காட்சி பார்க்கும்போதே எல்லாரும் ஃபீலிங்ஸ் ஆகுது. நாங்களும் அங்கே இருந்தால் நல்லா இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் சர்டிஃபிகேட் அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
Yeah, especially in our setting Bharat a couple of days back. It's especially hard for people almost every other day. We lived in the same area, so we kept meeting so many movies, so many restaurants, so many fun friends, a lot of mutual friends. So, we've like shared like a large part of our childhood together, so that makes it so much harder to miss the wedding.
எனக்கு இப்போ ஸ்கூலில் ஒன்ஸ் நீங்கள் சிங்கப்பூர் செட்டில் ஆனீங்க மேபி டிசம்பரில் வந்து யூஎஸ் ஒரு ட்ரிப் பிளான் பண்ணலாம் அண்ட் மினி செலிப்ரேஷன் குழந்தைங்க சம்பர் 10.4 அண்ட் போஸ்ட் வெட்டிங் செலிப்ரேஷன்
Yeah, that would be fun. We should do something like that. But also, while it's wondering why we're all there like this, we thought we'd do something to feel like a part of celebration. So we thought we'd, get our folk clothes and wear some fun wedding clothes. Have you seen that?
Okay, congratulations to both of you once again. And in the 2 days, we will really fly by and think of marriage and make sure to have a lot of fun and also make a lot of memories. And welcome to that.
Oh yeah, well, nice. It's not so bad. Hope you see you guys soon. Have a lot of fun. Miss you so much. Bye.
Congratulations, Shara and Priya.
Happy wedding to Shara and Priya. We know that you could be there. But the first ceremony was supposed to plan for my parents and what to buy, etc. But anyway, I have a lot of fun. We definitely be watching the live stream and we definitely make up for it next year.
Yes, we planted in Singapore and meeting you guys there and talking about the wedding of our child. Almost every year, doing summer and learning to go out.
நம்ம பையன்றா
யாரு stay one more
முடியுமாண்ணா கேட்க சொல்லிட்டோண்ணா பார்த்து முன்னாடி கேட்டுதான் bro, இங்க பாருங்க bro. ப்ரோ கேமரா
ப்ரோ இங்கே பாருங்க ப்ரோ.
ஓகே டான்ஸ் ஓகே
ஓகே ப்ரோ நீங்கள் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே ரெடி ரெடி. ப்ரோ இங்கே பாருங்க ப்ரோ. பேக் பின்னாடி வச்சுறீங்களா? பேக்
ஓகே ப்ரோ தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ.
ஓகே தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ.
கிளம்பிட்டாங்க சென்ட்ராக வராங்க.
மாஸ்க் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில் வச்சுக்கிறீங்களா? லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்டில்
அப்படி வச்சாங்கன்னா கை
ஃபோன்
சாப்பிட்றானே.
ஃபோன் ஓகே ரெடி ரெடி. ப்ரோ இங்கே பாருங்க ப்ரோ. இந்த கேமரா பாருங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ. நான் தான் யோசிக்கிறேன் ஏன் இவன் கத்திப்புறம் வந்தேன்னு சொல்கிறான் அப்படின்ட்டு.
ஆக்சுவலி எப்படி சொல்கிறது அந்த ரூட்லேயும் இருக்குது ஆனால் ஒன்றா இருக்காது அங்கங்கே இருக்கும் ஒரு பேர். தேங்க்யூ.
Okay. Yeah. Ready? Once again. இப்போ 2 வாரம் விட்டு அவரும் கேட்க நிறுத்துருவாங்க அப்படியே விட்டுருலாம் அப்படின்னாங்க. பேட்டுக்கு யாராவது 1000 ரூபா கொடுத்தா அதை மட்டும் கொஞ்ச நாளுக்கு அப்புறம் அனுப்பிச்சுட்ருக்கோம் அவங்களுக்கு தனியாக நீ போலியா சாப்பிடு. ஏன்
அவனுக்கு துணைக்கு ஆள் வேணும். ஓகே
ஒன் லைன் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க.
ஆடி பண்ண மாட்டாங்க.
ஸ்மைல் ஸ்மைல்.
ஓகே தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ. ஓகே ரெடி ரெடி.
தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ. யாராவது 2 பேர் இன்சைட் வந்துடுறீங்களா? யாராவது 2 பேர்.
ரெடி ரெடி.
இன்னொரு யோசனை புகழுக்கு வந்துட்டு தலைவலி ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது. இந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போகிறதுக்கு அவனுக்கு ரொம்ப செட் ஆகும். இல்லை அவங்க மட்டும் ஓகே ரெடி லுக்கியா ப்ரோ. கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸ் ஆகும் ப்ரோ.
ப்ரோ மாப்பில் தலை மட்டும் எப்படி ஓகேவா? அதான் தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you.
ஓகே ரெடி மேம் பேக் மட்டும் பின்னாடி சரிங்களா ப்ரோ ஃபோன் பேக்கில் வச்சுக்கோங்க ஓகே ரெடி 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 ஓகே
வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க
வெயிட்
ஓகே தேங்க்யூ
தேங்க்யூ
தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ லாஸ்ட் வரைக்குமா நிற்கிறாங்க
ஸ்மைல் ஸ்மைல் ப்ரோ லுக் ஹியர்
வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க
வெயிட்
போயிட மாட்டோம் அவர் மாஸ்க் கழட்டிட்டாரு ஒன்று எடுத்துருங்க ஒரே நிமிஷம் அவ்வளோதான் தேங்க்யூ
தேங்க்யூ
தேங்க்ஸ்
Okay, look here, smile.
பிரதீப் கை 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 ஸ்டேஜில் பாரு
Okay, ready, smile. Baby, look here, look here. Bro, 1 second. Okay, ready, smile.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lots more dances to come.
Thank you.
Bro. நம்மளது ஒன்லி
With this, we conclude today's event. Thank you, Janani, for being such an amazing co-host.
So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity, and thank you Pratna and Prashant for also running the rest of the show. Thanks guys, I hope you had a great time, and Sharat and Priya, we really love you. We really love you. We hope you have a great wedding and a great life together. Okay, all the best.
And just a quick public service announcement. If you guys want to head to dinner, please do, but don't rush. And remember to mask up, alright? Sharat just wants to, I think, say thank you to me.
Of course, you got that right. Like, you're like your sister, like you guessed everything I do before one step. So, thank you so much, Pratna and Janani, especially Janani because she's been very busy through the week, being a working mother and working for Freshworks. I'm sure she has a lot of work. So, yeah, thank you so much for all the time you put into this, and you literally aced it. And Pratna, needless to say, so you are the star of the show. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Janani. Thank you. I can't believe I'm saying thanks to my sister. This happens once in a lifetime almost. So thank you. Thank you everyone for tuning in and just all of you joining us. Please, as they said, head to dinner. But the stage is open for those who want to dance. You can just submit your track at the console behind and you can take the stage. It's all yours. So yeah, we'll come back in a bit.
Priya, don't worry, we got this. Don't worry, okay? You still have more spreadsheets to go, but then you can do it for Pratna's wedding.
And last but not least, thank you for that wonderful surprise. And Prashant was the curator of that and the mastermind of that and the chief technological officer of that. And also thanks to Prashant for the great website he made. Like if you guys are on the streaming link, you would have gotten it through a website, and that was built by none other than Prashant. Thank you so much.
Hey, thanks guys for being a great audience today. Hope you all had a very lovely evening. Please do have your dinner now. Thank you, signing off. Until next time. Bye-bye.
कोई मिल गया,
कोई मिल
मुझको क्या हुआ है, क्यों मैं खो गया हूँ, पागल था मैं पहले या अब हो गया हूँ। कोई मिल गया, मेरा दिल गया, क्या बताऊं यारो, मैं तो हिल गया, कोई मिल गया, मिल ही गया, मिल ही गया। तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें, तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें।
Okay, this is a super cliche couples game, and Prashant's going to give the instructions for it.
Okay, so basically we'll be asking a question to Sharath and Priya. So they'll have to answer the questions, both of them. But the best part is that they won't be able to see each other's answer. So the reaction is, this game is all about the reaction. So shall we get started?
Yep.
Cool. Okay. So the first question is, who's more talkative? Who's more talkative?
Okay, wow.
Okay, that is quick. Right. I think we already know the answer for the second question, but I'm going to ask it anyway. Who's a better secret keeper?
Yup.
Right.
Sharath
Okay.
famously known not to keep secrets.
Okay. Who spends more time on social media? That's kind of surprising. I thought it's... Yeah. Yeah, you can't. Right. Okay. And then, who gave the first gift? Wow.
Good.
So, shall we ask what the gift was? Is it okay if we can ask you what the gift was? Okay.
Wait, ask him the question. He forgot.
Thank you. Here we go.
I think I got her a bracelet.
Wow, you're right. You saved yourself.
On
Feb 14th. Oh,
Yeah.
so cheesy.
Very cheesy, but yeah, that's what he's known for, right? That's what he's known for.
His Instagram captions says a lot.
That's our Instagram script for.
Right. Okay. Who takes more pictures? Okay. Who's more crazier? I'm not going to define what crazy is, but
You don't announce
Okay.
your answers, then he'll also answer the same thing.
okay. A couple of more questions from my side. Who's more romantic? Right. So where have you guys planned your honeymoon? You haven't?
No
No,
plan.
it is, but then I thought of going out of syllabus for some time.
I thought the answer was just who, like yes, no in the Bible.
Sorry, but the gamekeepers make the rules, so you gotta answer what we ask. That's just how it
Okay.
works.
Who messages / calls more? Who messages and calls more?
I want to know
Okay.
what you do, because it seems like you don't do a lot. Okay.
Okay, so we have a set of questions from Pratana as well. So
Yeah,
here you
okay,
go.
so these are slightly different. They're not going to be yes, no, or like just shoe lifting questions. They're going to need you guys to speak a little, so you may want to pass them the mic if there's a question there. Okay, I'm going to start by throwing you guys completely off, but if there were 3 adjectives that you could describe to answer this question, what kind of parents do you think each other will be? 3 adjectives, is it? 3 adjectives.
Sharath would be. Wait, I have to only answer for Sharath. Sharath would always be the good cop, very practical, and yeah, transparent. Yeah.
Oh, so sweet. All good things for Sharath. Priya's the bad cop. This I can tell her kids because she is even in my life.
I wish I could answer that quickly, but yeah, I think she would be the tough taskmaster, strict disciplinarian, of course bad cop, and I think she would be extremely emotional too. Like, yeah, so does it answer your question?
Yes, it does. Okay, this question is for Sharath specifically, just to test how much of your knowledge you have about Priya by now.
Knowledge, wow.
What is Priya's #1 comfort food? And I know that there are many, but you have to name something that's really up there. Uh-oh.
I mean, I know in ice cream I can say mint ice cream. That's your pet peeve, but
Okay. Okay. Do you accept that?
Yeah, for ice cream, that is definitely right.
The question is food, not desserts.
Yeah.
Okay,
kind of okay. We can accept it.
50% you didn't pass.
No.
In terms
50% is pass. 40 is fail, right?
In terms of, I think, cuisine, I would go for Italian. That's a comfort food.
Okay, cool. That works. This is a GK question for Priya about Sharath. Which area did Sharath live in Singapore when your marriage got finalized? How am I supposed to know that you met him? Yeah, so? You want to wager a guess? I had to bring Singapore into this. But why against me? I have no clue. Okay. He lived in what, Novena? Newton. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next question. This is a shoe lifting one. So, who is never wrong? Oh, they agree. Oh my God. Yeah, but this one is controversial. So, okay. Last two questions. Who said I love you first? Both are. That can't be right. This is right. We have a story. Yeah. Can we hear the story?
Priya goes.
There's a story. Yeah, this is actually a very nerdy story again. So I said it on WhatsApp first, but apparently it was already on a spreadsheet before. How am I supposed to react when the word spreadsheet is said? Gosh.
So Sharath, do you have anything to say on that?
I just wanted to kind of give people some context. I'm not sure if people got it. So she thought I didn't say it that morning, but I had actually said it first on a spreadsheet on Google Sheets. Like Aniki morning na Google Sheet la சொன்னேன், பட் நான் அது சர்ப்ரைஸாக வச்சுருந்தேன். லைக் நானே சர்ப்ரைஸாக வச்சேன். லைக் அது எவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம். ஸோ அன்னைக்கு ஃபுல் டே அதை நான் சர்ப்ரைஸாக வச்சேன். அன்னைக்கு நைட் ஷி ஆக்சுவலி செட் இட் ஆன் வாட்ஸ்அப் அண்ட் ஷி தாட் ஷி செட் இட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், பட் ஐ ஸ்டில் கெப்ட் இட் சர்ப்ரைஸ். And then I went to bed, and that's when she went into the sheet and she realized, and she was floored, of course. So.
Okay, fine.
That's a story that you can tell our kids.
So this did not expect, but okay. Final question. Who dances better? Okay, there's a very deliberate reason this question is here. It is because we have to change that, and we have to get Sharath on the stage. This is his Sangeet, and if we as siblings don't drag him, I don't know who else will. So, you know what? Let's give it up for Sharath and Priya's performance.
This is Sharath's Ippudu Chudu moment, I guess. Wait. So this game is famously known as the shoe game. So the rules for this game is that the best part about this game is that we'll be asking a lot of questions to Sharath and Priya, but then they won't be able to see each other's answers.
Yeah. Okay, after that amazing dance performance, we're going to rag the couple full time by putting them in a game, which is eventually going to end in Sharath dancing. Like, I'm already predicting the outcome of that game. So, let's get started without any further delays. Come on. Yep.
क्या कहना उसका आफरीन, दावत में जैसे हो शाही टुकड़ा, उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीन। शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के, वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है। मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा, तू भी गिद्दा वाले, चले रंग जमा दे हमकी बनी सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो, तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई। हेलो हेलो, तू मुझे तुमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
Slow it down.
एक तेरे संग यारा आँख लड़ने लगी, आँख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा सिद्ध पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा। ओ मुंडा सिद्ध पे अड़ा, तेरे पीछे पड़ा, मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना, ऐसा जा ऐसा जा ऐसा जा
Thank you.
A lot to Sharath.
I know. I was actually pretty bummed that thinking I couldn't make it. But then when the cases got down, we figured we'd just come because it's Sharath's wedding, we can't miss it. So I know this is a very emotional moment for Sharath, and I think maybe I should take some of the things your cousins would have done, maybe just to this thing. And I've known Sharath for 11 years now. 11 years now, I know. So I'm thinking I should probably give you some pointers on how to deal with Sharath and his mood sometimes. So one thing about Sharath is, the first thing that comes to my mind about Sharath is, he cannot keep a secret. If there is something you need to tell him that someone else shouldn't know, do not tell him. Write it somewhere, put it in the fire, do not tell him. That's point number one. I'm not very good at the public speaking, so I've made notes. So the second one, he can be a prat at times. And if he knows it affects you, he can be extremely mean. So if he plays pranks on you, does some stupid shit like that, do not act like it does not affect you and he let it go. He's played so many pranks on me that has made me cry. So over the last 10 years, so yeah. I don't know if it's badass or maybe it's because I'm sensitive, but anyways. And he's one of the most practical people I know. So if I think out of the 11 years I've known him, for 10 years, if I've needed anything, any doubt clarified, if I'm stuck anywhere and where I need to go, I've always turned to Sharath for that. From something as simple as is this outfit good to, what do I do next? What job do I go for next? For every single one of that, I've turned to Sharath. So he's one of the most practical, most realistic people I know. And once you're Sharath's friend, you're Sharath's friend. He gives people second chances, third chances, 20th chances. So do not bother telling him that they don't deserve it or something of that sort. He's always going to give people chances. And I think, he can debate for hours. He can keep fighting about the same thing for hours. So do not get into a fight with him unless you have at least 3 hours. So, it's impossible. No, I think the first thing everyone noticed about him when we got in college, right, is that this guy can talk. Whichever side of the debate he's in, he'll make sure that he wins. So that is one thing. And anytime, I think these are the pointers that come to my mind. Anything else you want to crib about, I'm always available. You know I'm always available. And I wish you both a very happy, exciting, very, very happy married life. I'm so glad I get to be here. Thank you.
Thanks, Srijata, for those lovely words and for... Thank you. So for exposing that side of Sharath that we didn't know, maybe some of it were... Priya was definitely making notes. So she is going to be in touch with you for more such information to deal with Sharath. But I can tell you guys, I'm here on Sharath's side, by the way, okay? I am on Sharath's side, Priya, just for your information. While he can be a brat, he's the most kindest and sensible guy that I know as well. So he is going to make sure you don't weep a tear. Yes? All right. So here you go.
Yeah, that was so endearing to see so many people share, how important Sharath has been in their life or like through growing up and things like that. And I think we all have those people who've been so important in our journey just through life and who've just loved us so unconditionally. And from Priya's side, we have a few people like that as well. Friends, family, maybe they're all just the same. These lines have blurred over the past few years. So I want to call a few people to just speak very shortly about, just give Priya a toast if they could. So let's first call Akshara, who just by way of introduction is a friend of Priya's from the US. They met in Johns Hopkins and they've stayed friends since. I think this is a classic example of where time doesn't define how deep a friendship really is, right?
Yeah. Absolutely. I mean, I think she said it so beautifully. Don't, Priya, you get emotional now itself. Oh my God. I'm so happy that I get to toast you. It's so true. The fact that this toast is even happening, it shows our friendship since then. Just to tell all of you some of our special memories is that we both are very different personalities. I mean, different in our own ways, but we really connected so quickly, so fast. And you've been such an important person in my life. I am so happy that I've made it here along with Tejas today for you, for Sharath. I'm really looking forward to meeting you. But beyond all of that, Uncle, Auntie, Prarthana, Party, I know your family so well, and that's because of you've been so welcoming, your family's been so welcoming, so I'm just so glad that I get to toast you. The other things that I had, I completely forgot the speech that I had in mind because I just got so emotional seeing her face. But she's a wonderful person, Sharath. I'm sure you know that. We have wonderful memories, and I'm sure she has told you. I will tell it to you again as well when we have the time to talk more. But wishing you both so much happiness. Priya, I love you. I'm really, really happy for you. Thank you.
Okay, wow, I'm low-key happy that got the reaction it needed, which is Waterworks. I'm very happy. But up next is also a surprise. She doesn't really know who this is, but I can't introduce this person without saying that when I told her I want you to give a toast to Priya, she literally wrote the toast within hours saying, I can't sleep with having this thing undone. And this is someone Priya loves literally like her own child. So let's call Ree. Ree, by the way, is our first cousin. Hi, Ree.
Hi.
Here you go.
Hi, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Riya and I'm Priya's cousin. So for as long as I can remember, Priya has cared endlessly for me, and she has been such a supportive cousin. I have so many memories with you, Pri, and I'll always keep them dear to my heart. So your words of wisdom have been such an inspiration to me throughout my life, and I am so grateful for them. Today is your special day, and I wanted to express my gratitude by reminding you of how much you mean to me. So even during our journeys, we have always kept in touch and chatted about everything that has been going on in our lives. And you should know that I admire you, Priya, and I respect you and love you for who you are. You take great enthusiasm and passion in what you do, and you're going to go a long way simply by just being yourself. There are so many things, too many things that I need to say, but I'll save them for another time. Priya and Sharath, I wish you both all the happiness in the world and congratulations. Thank you.
That was so cute, Ree. Priya and I have grown up with so many cousins. Some of them we have literally seen since they were born till how old they are right now, which is so emotional. But I realize there are people who have seen us go through that same journey as well. So up next I have the orator himself, the literal wordsmith, the best wordsmith there is, my grandfather. Come, Tata. Tata, as he calls Priya so fondly as just Kuti, first said, I can't speak just for 2 minutes, but, I got him convinced, and here he is. Here you go.
Okay. Hi, Kuti. So, I'm not used to platform speaking. I'm not used to this kind of speaking, but anyway, the owner's job of greeting. Okay. Has been cast on me. We can talk a lot about Priya, right from our childhood. The most mischievous child one can ever imagine is Priya. I mean, when she was about 2 years, 3 years old, lot of missiles used to fly out of the house. Some banyan, some dhoti or telephone or toys, and you have to search for them in first floor or ground floor. I mean, she will just throw everything out and keep quiet as if nothing has happened. And we will be searching for them. And she will just keep quiet with a smile on her face. And for the love of hearing some sound, she used to open the fridge and throw the eggs down. So that gives some sound. This kind of mischief, we are used to that kind of mischief, and we love that kind of mischief also. Now she is the most accomplished girl, an intellectual type, and what not, a qualified healthcare expert, so on and so forth. So I wish both of them a very happy married life. And the person I would like to congratulate is Mr. Sethuraman and Girija Sethuraman, for they are getting a daughter. What they wanted, they are getting a good daughter. So congratulations to you both.
So cute. Thank you, Tata. Thank you so much. So while the initial plan was to wrap up toasts with what Tata had to say, we had a huge surprise this afternoon which got all of us crying, that we simply cannot let this evening end without having her speak a few words. We have Komal, who has known Priya through those mischievous days as a neighbor, but it's a conservative estimate to say that they haven't seen each other for 20 plus years, because they really haven't.
but she has loved her so very much, and she just couldn't stand staying away on such an important day that she actually took a flight overnight and decided she would be here. So just to share a few. I don't know where to start about Priya. She was such a darling when she was small. As uncle said, very mischievous. She tried to teach me Tamil. I remember that. She would answer whatever I asked in English or Hindi, she would answer only in Tamil. So that is how I learned little bit. But one thing is there, she was always, and even today, is a very, very loving person with a golden heart. I mean, there are lots of stories about her childhood which I can share, but that will take hours. So it's just that I wish you both a very happy married life. And Priya, I love you. Thank you so much. So it's been a very tear-filled, emotional past 25 minutes. Quite contrary to what the first half of this event was. But we're going to switch gears again to some power-packed finale performance. The first of which is going to be one that has our entire family and friend circle on stage in different segments because, you know, social distancing and all that. But we're going to have a finale performance followed by a cute little couples game. And then, of course, we're going to end with the ragging, the customary ragging of Sharath, ensuring he dances for the first time in his life. Okay? So, stay with us, those of you who are online, because we're going to switch to our finale performance right now.
Emotional moment for us. Those were all of Sharath's brothers and sisters from, and their better halves, right? From his maternal side, right? And they were unable to make it to the event because most of them are living out of India. Yeah, I want to just ask Sharath if he enjoyed the surprise. I know I did see him having an emotional moment there. Sharath, a few words?
Okay, so first up, let me start with a disclaimer. If I'm going to break down in the middle of this, I'm going to tell you. So, this has definitely been the most emotional part of Sangeet. Like, getting married during the pandemic came with a lot of challenges. We knew there would be a lot of challenges, but my cousin not making to the wedding was... Yeah, so that's a big thing. Thank you guys, thanks a lot. So we'll definitely meet end of this year. Yeah, much earlier maybe, and we will watch Wimbledon next year together, all of us. So thank you so much, guys.
Thanks much, Sharath. I'm sure you're going to get to meet them very soon, and then we're going to all party together again, right? Yes? Okay, here you go.
Yeah, that was an emotional overload to say the least. But we have one final toast from Sharath's side of someone who represents his friend group collectively right now. So let's give it up for Srijita, sorry, I thought it was... No problem. Sorry? Do I have to? Woohoo.
And So I started playing largely for 5 days before I came to London. And then it was an amazing time. It was a brilliant time. So once I finished in London, I got to know the different kind of. So I tried to go to this particular